Okay. So before any other felicitation, now right now I'm just calling. Okay. AR1. Okay. So he is the first rank holder. Okay. Rahul. Okay. So okay. So rank holder. So boss. So I am very much blessed being he is being with us. So everybody, I can tell you one most important thing about him. He was determined कि बॉस मुझे रैंक 1 लाना ही है. Okay, his list with CPT he was rank 1, IPCC he was rank 5th, final rank 1. Okay, just एक scene. He just asked me, sir rank 1 तो आता है, खाली इसका की वजह से rank 2 या 3 ना हो जाओ. Okay, but simply superb. Okay, so sir. Okay, so Ritika, अरे आना. Okay, so okay, so he's AR1 Rahul Agarwal. Thank you, Rahul. Okay, so before I'm doing something, so I will just request him to at least, I don't know what, जो भी आपको बोलना है sir, please.
मां कसम तोड़. I would like to thank Amit Tated sir. मेरे को डे 1 से जिस दिन से रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुए आई हैव बीन गेटिंग कॉल्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया. तो सब लोग एक ही चीज पूछते हैं कि इसका क्या इलाज क्या है. मैं बोला इसका एक फोबिया है जिसका इलाज एक ही डॉक्टर के पास है और वो डॉक्टर मुंबई में रहता है. उसका नाम है डॉक्टर अमित तातेड़. So, मुझे लगता है गूगल पे जितना सर्च अमित तातेड़ सर के नाम पे हुआ किसी चीज के लिए नहीं हुआ होगा ये 5 दिन में. So, मेरे को पूछते हैं अमित तातेड़. Then they ask me to spell it out as well. तो मुझे स्पेल भी करना पड़ता है TATED. तो वो पूछते हैं कि हमारी सिटी में कुछ स्कोप है क्या उनका आने का. तो मैं बोलता हूं कि पक्का होगा ये अटेम्प्ट, नहीं तो अगले अटेम्प्ट तक तो पक्का सर आपके पास रीच कर जाएंगे कैसे भी. So I feel privileged to meet a person like Amit Tated, not only in terms of academics, but as a person. I gain a lot from this person, his energy, enthusiasm, and that fighting spirit, and the zeal which he has in terms of teaching. So I think this is not my achievement, this is my mentor's achievement, my teacher's achievement, and it is his achievement I would like to. So I used to feel कि इसका is not my cup of tea, and this person made इसका my cup of tea. टी कॉफी सब कुछ यार. So इसका लोग मेरे को पूछते हैं कौन सी बुक, कौन सा मटेरियल, किसी किसी ऑथर का नाम लेते हैं. So I just tell them one thing, ये सब मेरे को नहीं मालूम, मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही नाम मालूम और उसके नोट्स मालूम. So they ask me, do you have soft copies of his notes? तो मैं बोला उन्होंने क्लास में एक बार ऐसा पढ़ा देते सॉफ्ट कॉपीज बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. So seriously, iska reason for failing in iska is the phobia that they have in their mind. So you require an expert doctor, an expert system to remove that phobia, and that expert doctor is Amit Tated. So एक बार आप उनके क्लासेस में आ गए तो दिमाग से निकाल देना इसका, क्यों दिमाग में भरने का काम इनका है. So second group, मेरे को लगता था second group में if my score would be less, it will be in terms of इसका. So I asked my seniors how to go about it. So मेरे seniors, he started like 2 years back in Hyderabad, his classes in Hyderabad. So they told me just one thing, go to this person and all your doubts will be cleared. So second group का मेरा score है 326. And इसका plays an important role in those 326. अगर मेरे को इसका में एक भी मार्क कम आया रहता था, so first rank चले जाता था. So I am really thankful to Amit sir. And I would sincerely request him to provide his classes in other parts of this country as well, because this is the request I have got from all over country. I would share one incident. 2 days back, one Air Force officer called me up. And he was like, I am double the age of yours. So he's 44. So he's like, I dropped second group I could not clear few years back. And I gave him inspiration to clear his second group at this level when he's an Air Force officer. So this is the prestige, this profession, those two prefix CA carries. So I'm telling you, this is the most amazing feeling in this world to have those two prefix at the age of 21 or 22, chartered accountant. It will definitely make you stand apart in this society. The profession that this profession, the respect that this profession commands, yes, it requires a lot of hard work, but I tell you, these 2-3 years of your life will definitely make a difference to next 30 years of your life. So whatever it requires, just put in your 100%, just give it your best and forget the rest. So if you guys have any specific queries for any subject or any other tips, I am here. You can definitely ask me anything. So I would be obliged to help you out in terms of anything. So best of luck, all of you. And last में एक बार और माँ कसम तोड़.
Okay. Nevertheless, whatever he told, it's actually the things. उसने बोला सब कुछ मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें बोली in terms of my end or something. Okay, but I will tell you definitely, it all his efforts, it all students' efforts.